Let's learn phrasal verb, idioms and slang.
Dash off. Phrasal verb.
Listen.
Phrasal verb, dash off. Escrever algo rapidamente, sair ou ir embora rapidamente, fazer algo às pressas ou sem muito cuidado.
Picture. So, like I dashed off to the drugstore and get an umbrella, and I dashed
one another. We're going to dash off down to the Gulf Coast to the NASA Infinity Science Center, where they're in a race for space.
One singer sergeant used to dash off countless quick watercolors, recording his impressions, an antidote to and then I just immediately sort of dash off and go and grab some shots of them. But I can't
abuse in convents and then dash off a 20-page letter to his mistress.
She dashed off a quick email before leaving the office today. He dashed off his homework before dinner with his family tonight. Maria dashed off an apology note during her busy lunch break. They dashed off several invitations before the wedding ceremony started yesterday. I dashed off a thank you message after receiving the wonderful gift. John dashed off to catch the last train before midnight tonight. She dashed off after hearing the exciting news from her sister yesterday. The children dashed off toward the playground during their school recess period. My brother dashed off immediately when his phone suddenly rang loudly yesterday. The dog dashed off chasing a squirrel across the beautiful green park. He dashed off a rough sketch before starting the final artwork today. She dashed off the report despite having very little time available yesterday. They dashed off the presentation before the important business meeting this morning. I dashed off several notes while listening carefully to the inspiring lecture. The journalist dashed off an article before the newspaper deadline arrived yesterday.
Let's learn idioms.
Out of sight, out of mind for the old furniture. He called me out of the blue after many years. His new job was out of the frying pan into the fire. The company is not out of the woods yet financially. I'll go out on a limb and say the economy will improve. At 50, he thinks he is over the hill for sports. Winning the award made her over the moon with joy. She decided to own up to her mistake in the meeting. We need to pack it in and go home for the day. He is able to paddle your own canoe and live alone. Let's learn slang. She chipped in with $20 for the cause. Toss in some money for the group dinner tonight. She tossed in $10 for the pizza order. Front me the cash and I will pay you back. She fronted him the money for the new phone. Owe me, and I will collect it next week. She owes me $50 from last month. Square up and pay your portion of the bill. She squared up with everyone before leaving. Fair enough, I agree with your compromise. She said fair enough and accepted the terms. Works for me, we can meet at 3 o'clock. Sounds good, I will see you there tomorrow. She said sounds good and ended the call. Cool with me. Let us proceed with the plan. She is cool with the new arrangement at work. I'm down to go to the movies later tonight. She is down and will meet us at the mall. Down for that, just send me the address. If you enjoy this video, give it a like, share, and subscribe to this channel.